don't know what it is, but this thing is feeling sluggish.
Dude, I'm so happy we get to ride. Grom gang. Oh shit. Damn. I was not expecting that. He got them stand-ups down. Gotta hit them dank stand-ups. Damn, a bug just flew right in my mouth, bro. Yeah, so these are rough, but they get better. I got a pretty good amount of wind. There's a bug in my helmet. I'm gonna see if I could do anything at first. Nope. Dude, Grom Adventures with Ryan. Hey, we gotta jump! Mine bottom out every time I jump. Where'd even Ian go?
I don't know.
I brushed my shoulder on the can. I'm gonna try and do something that I've never done before. Damn it! The damn horn button! Yeah! Dope. You mind if I ride your Grom to see if it's faster than mine? Because I honestly think yours is faster than mine. I'm just gonna see what it does. It's so much different with these bars. What in the world? What? Dude, this is way faster. Dude, I'm wondering what's wrong with it. Damn, I wish mine was that fast. It's hard to do them wheelies with only a little bit of throttle. Maybe I need to get an exhaust like that.
It's like $300.
Shoot, it might be worth it just to get a little bit of back pressure.
It's a full system.
Mine's just an open header with nothing, so like it's complete no back pressure or anything.
Mine's got a big hole.
Yeah, but yours moves a lot more air.
Tomorrow, if it's sunny, I have like a little rent-across track on our property and ride a Grom on it almost. It's pretty mellow.
I'd be pretty down to do that. I'd love to do a little Grom race. Everyone makes fun of me because I do off-road stuff on Groms, so that would be perfect, taking it around a track. Knee dragging. Dude, I'm scraping peg on a Grom. This is fabulous. I think we might have. Ian is not here. Oh, I tried. There he is.
I honestly had no idea where you guys went.
I'm gonna do that. Hey, you trying to do that hill climb? We're gonna go climb a ledge. Yeah, that's solid. Oh no! Oh no! That was almost bad. Holy shit! That's a ways down.
I don't know what it is, but this thing is feeling sluggish.
You want to switch? All right. Be aware the suspension will preload fast, and just don't go into corners fast because it doesn't handle like a full-size bike. It handles like a super small bike with no suspension, because that's about what it is. Dude, it's like you just bounce, 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 and just preload back and forth. You're gonna be surprised at how slow it is. Yeah, that's why they're fun, is you could just throw them wherever. I mean, we're doing literally just power wheelies on the road. And this is the CBR 1000. It's not telling me what gear I'm in. Oh, that's a dead-ass bird.
This thing is so slow.
Isn't it?
It is so slow.
He's so much more comfy on that Grom, you can tell. He's full throttle pinned. They weigh the same. I think maybe that might be doing something. This thing's stupid fast. It's got all the power. We're gonna be able to open her up here soon. I'm just waiting on them to catch up. What's going on, guys? We just rode like 30 minutes out. Here's me, Ian, and Ryan. He's riding this pure pit bike. Man, he's actually flying on that thing. Solid. I'm a lot more comfortable without gloves, but I think I'm gonna slap them on.
I'm way more comfortable riding without a helmet.
Dude, change that. Shoot, well, I guess I'm gonna try and get a feel for it. You're going past me. So me and Ryan are gonna race. Oh, I'm stepping on the rear brake. Can't get in my rear brake. Oh my goodness. I properly lost. I was going in for a turn, spun out, hit too much rear brake, and it just started sliding. Yeah, wasn't feeling it. There's another dog. Okay, now Ian's gonna hit some. Oh, he dropped it. He fell in the corner. Dude, my Grom is bogging down so much, I can't come out of the hole in second. I have to shift to first.
I'm hitting second.
I guess I'll try that then. All right, let's try that again. Okay, first gear was a lot better. That was way better. That was much a noticeable difference. He keeps flat tracking me. Oh, there's my forks. There's my forks.
Don't you dare touch me!
You want to try a Grom? Try not to drop her. So this is Ryan's 110 he's got. I'm going to try this guy. Oh, wait. Run. This thing's awesome. Are these your dogs? Yeah, they came out of nowhere. I was like, what the heck? Oh no, scraped my header. Hit it wrong on the launch. Dude, this is wild. This is so insane. There's Ian. Oh no, my gauge isn't on. What? Back on now. Well, I no longer have a speedo. Not working. The damn horn. Oof. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice him fall. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm good. Busted up, but I'm good. I just wrecked. And Ian wrecked too. I don't even know where that went wrong. Oh, no, I know exactly where it went wrong. My bike has a problem coming into neutral. What you heard was my ribs hitting the horn. I wrecked. I look like this now. And I don't know if the key is bent, and I don't know if it's gonna want to move the ignition anymore. I'm having to force it without trying to really force it. You can see the key looks like a banana.
How'd that even, oh, I bet you hit that or something.
I came like that.
Oh, yeah.
Like my helmet hit right here.
There it is.
Bent the key back and now it turns. Bent it on yes and send it. All right, I'm just gonna take a cruise. All right, we're trying this backwards. I haven't done this before. Oh, the brakes bent back straight. That's nice. I'm gonna go this way. There's Ian. I like being behind Ian because his bike doesn't throw any mud. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Right into me. We're good. We're good. That was a loud hit. I don't know if it was loud for y'all too. Dude, I took your bars straight to my wrists. So it's good right there. I apologize, Ryan. Come out to your track and wreck your bike on purpose.
We got the footage.
We did get the footage. I don't know what that's gonna look like because literally all I'm sitting here doing is I'm racing. Next thing I know, my back tire kicks out. Tire kicks out right through there. I spin around, my front tire comes down here, so I just came completely around and he was on the inside and I just seen like the headlight. So me and Ryan had a pretty much T-bone collision at about like 25 miles an hour, somewhere around there. We were both scooting pretty fast. I was in front of him and he was trying to pass me on the inside and I spun out completely. My bike landed sideways right here and I just looked to the side and I hear, oh shit, and then a headlight just goes boof. And I fly off my bike. A peg broke. We still have to drive back a solid 30 minutes without a peg. That's gonna be fun. A little tore up, but Grom day at the track always does well. Now I know why they don't race these. Front tire is going straight, and this is when the back tire started saying,
You see it slide right here.
Sliding all the way around, and as soon as I got right here, tire got right here, he's in this rut and just yeets straight into me. And I fly down like this and spin. Well, we need a new Grom peg. I got beat by the track. I got beat by Ryan.
I will laugh my ass off if he falls over again.
That would be funny.